AirPods Pro with the charging case. So let's open it, and thank you guys for joining me. For all the new guys out there, you guys are welcome. Really happy you guys supporting the channel. Here we go. Brand new AirPods, and this is the latest version, guys. So let's have a look. AirPods Pro. Designed by Apple in California. All right. As usual, the manual. Here's a charger. Okay. And here are the apples. Sorry about that, guys. It accidentally was charging, but let me get one of those out. It does have a little battery charged. Like, okay, here's a charger. Looks nice and neat. Good quality, guys. Quality by Apple. Alright, guys, well, that's the unboxing of the brand new AirPods Pro. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys have a great one. Thank you.